We're going to talk next about pattern fills. Before we get into showing how to do these on photos, another sort of introduction to how patterns work, how to find them, how to get more of them within Photoshop. And this is a little bit like shapes as well, in terms of you're not going to see very many shapes until you load more of them, and so with shapes, when you go to window shapes, what you're going to see initially is this window that, yeah, it has some shapes in here, trees and animals and flowers and stuff, but there's not much. But when you click on the hamburger icon and you click on legacy shapes and more, then it loads these in too, and there's a lot more, like tons and tons more shapes. And you can keep looking and looking and looking, there's lots of them. And it's the same thing with patterns. So window patterns, by default, there's a few patterns: trees, grass, water, like nothing much. And these are just photographic patterns. But then if you go into the hamburger icon and do legacy patterns and more, then it will load. And I don't know why it just doesn't have these by default, but then you have tons and tons of others. And so dirt patterns, stone, and at this point I'm just clicking on any of these and you can sort of see the type of texture especially that it would give you. And then under legacy patterns there are brush, canvas material type things, and so on and so on. And so we're going to talk about some of these that work well, and that can create interesting effects like a halftone pattern and things like that. But in a nutshell, that's how you begin this, by accessing these different patterns.